Hey, welcome everybody to Chef Gio's Latin Table. Today I have something special for you. For the flavor, it's Spanish spaghetti. Who doesn't love a spaghetti? Everyone loves a spaghetti, right? So we're gonna do this today the Latin way. It could be Cuban, Puerto Rican, Dominican, anyway. Everyone has a different variants of what they do. But today, I'm gonna show you Chef Gio's way. So basically, I have here 2 tablespoons of sofrito. Put that in there. I have a quarter of red pepper, green pepper, and some onions. I'm gonna throw all that in there too. I have about 4 garlic cloves there. I'm gonna stir that up, get that flavor. Because it's all about flavor, all about color. I'm gonna add here, it is a 93%, 7%. Basically what that is the leanness of the beef versus its fat. You can use 80-20 is good. It'll release some fat, it'll give it a lot more flavor to it. So I'm gonna add this in here. And this is approximately 1.5 pounds of beef, okay? We'll get that going. We're gonna get all those little ingredients incorporated in there. We'll cook that off for a bit and come right back to that. We'll cover that up. So we're halfway through there, getting this meat cooked. So we're gonna just add now a tablespoon of kosher salt. If you're gonna add a tablespoon of oregano, we wanna give this a good nice flavor in there. We'll throw in a little bit of that cilantro. I'm gonna mix that in, incorporate that. Again, you want these flavors to marry and get to know each other in this pot. And then we're going to add 2 Roma tomatoes, plum tomatoes. So we'll let that go. And we're gonna add a cup of crushed tomato in there. Just so that flavor can continue, get everything nice and moist and flavorful. All right, so this is done right now. We're gonna give a quick taste to this. Beautiful. You can taste all the garlic, the oregano, lots of flavor, very rich texture. I'm gonna add in the spaghettis. And let me just tell you folks, I'm using spaghetti just because I entitled this the Spanish Espagettis, but it's really good if you could use also the shells or penne or rigatoni, anything that has little creases that absorbs flavor. It's a better pasta to use. It just holds a lot more flavor and a lot of the goodies in there. That would be a better pasta to use for your Spanish spaghetti dish. So this spaghetti is complete, and I'm just gonna plate. Might as well plate with a little bit of finesse if you want. Oh, this is just show you guys. Here we go. Oh yeah. The smell is incredible. And we're gonna just drop the meat right on top. And we'll let it fall off the sides. Good presentation is always key. And we're gonna garnish this with our cilantro. My cilantro is like the Italian's parsley, so I'll have this on all my dishes, whether incorporated in cooking or just garnishing it. It's just a fabulous ingredient. The meat and the spaghetti. Good stuff. All we need with this now is pan de manteca, some good Cuban bread. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Your Latin chef.